Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I took 2 days off, and I really thank you guys for understanding. I may just stop doing videos over the weekends just because I think it's better for both of us. I think it's giving you a break of my videos, and then it's also giving me a break for making the videos, so that I can stay happy and motivated and stoked to do this. In saying that, if you are confused and you're like, who is this guy? Why is he talking to me like I know everything? I get it, I apologize. My name is Nick, I'm an entrepreneur. I ran multiple, somewhat successful businesses in the past and now, and so I'm going over the ups and downs in business. So whether you're getting into it now or you want to get into it and you're just curious in general, these are the videos for you. They're day in the life vlogs of my ups and downs. And Mondays, like today, are the busiest days of the week. So if you want to watch a long video, here's your video. The rest of the videos are going to be like half the time. Today, we're going to be doing customer orders. We got a client order. Yeah, we got a lot going on today. So I was just changing up the scenery. Usually when I started making these videos, I would sit down in this chair. So like the OG subscribers know exactly what I just did right now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to like my first like 30 videos. And I'm sitting in these chairs or the couch talking about my start of the morning and where we're gonna end up being by the end of the day. So, and if you haven't watched these videos, at the very end of each video, I go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money that we made. And also, I make these videos every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. So if you're interested, subscribe down below. And also, if you enjoy these videos, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It helps me out. It helps people like you find my videos as well. So let's get started. It is 6:31, and I usually get up around like 7:30. I'm feeling good. I already took a shower. Trying to get up earlier. Got multiple businesses now that I have to run. Also, today is the 19th. This is the last day to go put in a giveaway entry on my Instagram, which is the link is in the description if you want a Coastal Cowboy hat. Let's get going. Let's get started. I will see you guys in a bit. Oh, and if you didn't notice, I got a new pair of glasses last night that just came in the mail, so super pumped. The other ones were super scratched, and I've had those for years, so new set, new me. Just an update from this morning. This is why I make these videos, because this is another crazy thing that just happens out of nowhere. So if you're not watching my videos every single day, you're gonna be missing some stuff. So here's what happened this morning. I get a letter in the mail from the IRS. As I told you guys like a month ago, I paid off all my IRS debt with all the money that was held in my Amazon account. I just paid it all off. Then today, I just find out that the IRS wants me to pay $12,400 for my 2021 tax still. I've already amended my taxes. I've already paid what they told me I have to pay, and now they came back for more for $12,400. Guys, I made like no money that year. That'd be like $20,000 in fees off of like $50,000. That was a 2021 year. That was like beginning of like business for me. Like I wasn't making money. So there's something wrong. So I'm gonna be protesting, and I have to do an amendment again, I think, but I'm gonna have to protest this so I don't pay it. Not only that, I'm gonna try to get my money back. Like this is unreal. Like I'm so frustrated. Like I'm not paying a dime, bro. Like it is so unreal that they want another $12,400 off of my back. Like, there is some glitch, there's some problem. I just paid off all my taxes like a month ago, and I just called and they're like, yep, this is new. This is actually a legit updated thing. So I'll keep you guys posted throughout the month, throughout all this and updates, but IRS just keeps coming after me. I don't know what they're coming after me for. I don't understand. So anyways, let's get to the video now. I was on the phone for 2 hours with the IRS, so super fun. Yeah, so we're gonna go protest that, but let's go work on customer orders, and we got a couple client orders, and then we'll be done with the day, and then we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. Okay, hey guys. Forgot to tell you, I got this the other day. This is like the best vinyl you can get. This is the Orifol, I think 210, something like that, or 220. Really good vinyl. I'm hoping it de-weeds a little better. Like the stuff I have isn't bad, but this is the best. Gonna see how it works. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna make some decals, get some custom orders out, and yeah, we'll be done with the day. So let's get this in, shall we?
All right, so I got an update on the sticky mats. They're not getting any stickier, okay? But some groundbreaking idea that I came up with. So I have this surfboard wax remover called the Pickle, okay? And this Pickle's got little particles in it, little powder, and it picks up the wax and almost clays it up so it's easy to take off the surfboard when you want to re-wax your board. So I put a little bit of stuff on my hand. You can see it's like this, and it's all like, it's not bad or chemicals, or it's not like a toxic, it's like a natural recycled fiber. And I put some on the mat and I rubbed it around, and it de-stuck it like perfectly, where it's still sticky if you press hard enough, because it's like a little bouncy. I don't know how to explain it. But if I just put a little bit on the mat and I just rub it across evenly, it de-sticks it, but to a perfect amount. I don't add too much of it, just add a little bit. And I just did it to one of my mats and it peeled off almost perfectly. So I'm adding a little bit more all. So I'm just kind of adding a little, sprinkle a little bit on there, and then yeah, rub it around. And that should de-stick these probably to the perfect amount. But I'll find out. I'll let you guys know at the end of the day if that was worth it. Whew. All right, guys, we are done with customer orders. That was a big pain in the butt. I didn't get to one of my client orders, so I'll be doing that tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to cut out a lot of the working because it's just kind of like repetitive. So hopefully you enjoyed. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Oh, let's go over yesterday's revenue and show how much money that we made, and then I'll leave. Okay, bye. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $39.80, so not bad. We made $40.20 on Shopify yesterday on my Quality Prints USA page. We made $381.50 on Amazon, so a total of $461 was made yesterday in revenue. So a total of $7,434 this month. We would love to hit 30K, so let's keep giving some good energy and hoping that the hats start selling more and more. And yeah, when I get paid from my hats that I put into the trailer boutique, I will also add that to the revenue by the end of the month, so be sure to follow that. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and also for people that are like you and want to find videos like this. It would help me a lot as well. And also subscribe down below if you want to watch me hit 30K. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night. Happy Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.